In this video, we will know the role of saliva in digestion. Also, we will watch its live digestive action. Saliva is mainly produced by three pairs of glands present in the mouth. The saliva secreted in the mouth contains mucus, electrolytes, and enzymes such as salivary amylase and lysozyme. In our body, digestion starts in the mouth where 30% of starch gets digested into disaccharide by the action of salivary amylase. Salivary amylase converts complex carbohydrates, starch into compound sugar maltose. The remaining starch gets digested by pancreatic amylase in the small intestine. Finally, the enzyme present in the intestinal juice, maltase, converts maltose into absorbable simple sugar, glucose. Starch is a complex polymeric carbohydrate made up of glucose. It is produced by green plants for energy storage. Starch is the most common energy source in our diet. In our body, it gets digested into glucose, which is the primary fuel source. Pasta, pizza, cakes, bananas, bread, roti, rice, popcorn, etc. are starchy foods. In this busy life, most of us have forgotten the role of saliva in digestion, so we don't chew the food properly. Due to such habits, many of us are suffering from digestive problems. Chewing the food properly helps in better digestion, reduces the stress in our body, and keeps us healthy. You are going to watch an experiment that will demonstrate the role of saliva in digestion. In this experiment, two materials are used, source of iodine and starch. Iodine is used to test the presence of starch. A combination of iodine or triiodide ion and starch produces deep color change which can be visually detected. When the triiodide ion comes into contact with starch, it produces a blue-black color. We can get iodine solution as povidone easily at the medical store or at our home in the first aid kit. It is the most common antiseptic used in surgery and wound infection. It is available mainly in three forms: solutions, ointments, and gargles. Povidone is a chemical complex of polymer polyvinyl pyrrolidine and triiodide anion. It slowly releases the iodine molecule which kills the microorganisms. Starch is used in making of papers as it is an integral component of it and it is present in almost all papers. One of the important functions of starch in paper is to prevent water or ink penetration so that writing and printing can be done. Let's start the experiment. To justify that paper contains starch, 4 different kinds of paper are used: notebook, prescription, Xerox, and newspaper. A small amount of povidone is placed on all papers. As we can see, placing iodine on starch results in a blue-black color. It seems that Xerox paper has maximum and the newspaper has minimum starch content. Let's watch the live digestive action of saliva. For this experiment, prescription paper is selected. As we can see, placing iodine on starch results in a blue-black color. In this experiment, water is used as a negative control to see the effect due to the watery nature of saliva like dilution or washing. As we can see, within 2 to 3 minutes, saliva digested the starch into disaccharides, which results in the disappearance of the blue-black color. Water has no effect on blue-black color, which confirms that color disappearance is because of digestive action of enzyme amylase present in the saliva. Still, if you have doubt that the blue-black color is disappeared due to watery nature of saliva, look into this another set of experiments. Firstly, starch is treated with saliva and water for 2 to 3 minutes, then an iodine test to avoid any misperception. As we can see that light blue-black color appears in saliva treated because it digested the starch, whereas in water treated, it is dark. Take-home message. Eating fast or less chewing the food will not get the digestive benefit of saliva in the mouth, leading to digestive problems and health stress. Whereas eating slowly or chewing the food properly will be completely digested, leading to a healthy life. If you learned from the video, then don't forget to like, subscribe and share.